how you doing? It's your girl Sophia J. Okay, so here we go. I'm in my makeup, situation, and I'm customizing some lashes. All right, but I kind of want to show you guys what I'm doing. All right, so here we go. Let's see if we could do this. Okay, so excuse the mess. There's a lot of stuff going on here. All right. So I got these lashes here. These are Hannah, and these are Mila. And me being the person I am, I'm extra. So these are nice. This is how Mila looks, but this is how I would like it to look. So what I did is I'm taking a little bit of the Hannah, cutting them one by one, and sticking them here using this glue. Yeah, so as I was saying, take these tweezers here. Oh, Lord. Take these tweezers here, and after I cut, these right here, like they come in clusters, if you could see. They come in clusters. So I cut cluster by cluster, and I take the glue, put it on, take this. I'm right-handed, so me trying to do this with my left hand ain't gonna work. But just for demonstrational purposes. So basically, take it, you put the glue, and then you see how there's like a little space right here, right? What I'll do is put it here, and bam. Fix it a little bit. And you see how it's like curved here? What I'll do is I'll take some scissors and trim this up here. So after I take the scissors and trim these a little here, right? It will give like a gradual effect. Because if I just take these and put them on, you see how nice and full this is? And these are spaced out. It's not gonna look cohesive. And that's what we want in a lash. We want goodness, I'm all over. We want it to look nice and full. Okay? So yeah. So you see how, and these it's Mila, whatever. Anyways, these are, I stack them because they were really, really like thin. Like, okay. They were thin and too spaced out like these. Okay? So I stacked two. So this is 2 lashes already on top of the Hannah that I'm putting on. So yeah, it's almost done. It's almost done. Yeah, this is a lot of work. I mean, it's tedious if that, but it doesn't take like a long, like a whole day or whatever. It doesn't take hours. Absolutely not. Maybe 30 minutes. Oh, and these I wore at the Lil Palais concert. I customized these as well. I did pearl and diamond. I put the pearl on top of the diamond, stacked it up, and came out with these babies. Absolutely beautiful. I wore them for the concert this past Saturday, and they were gorgeous. See that? Beautiful. Yeah, so anywho's. All right, so here we go. We have the finished product. Here we go. This is exactly what I wanted, okay? Long, wispy, full, thick lashes, and didn't have to pay $30 for it. So, again, these are nice for everyday wear, You know what I'm saying? Behind the scenes, sound check, being in the studio, rehearsals, that type of stuff is cool. And this is nice too, but I just don't like, it's too round. It doesn't fit my eye shape. I like the cat eye look, And so that's what I did with that. All right, so all you need is tweezers, some scissors, some strong hold glue. This is the one I use, and you'll get the lash you want and like. Spend 30 minutes. Don't spend $30. And that way, everyone's happy. Okay, I'll see you guys later. All right, guys, I'm gonna make this quick because I'm losing daylight. Okay. This one, the right eye, is the one that's wearing the customized lash. As you can see, it's nice and full, wispy, really long, and I don't know. I guess romantic, I guess. But I don't understand how a lash could be romantic. I mean, it's just laying there on your eyelid. But anyways, this one is like an everyday, type look, type situation. There's nothing too dramatic about it. It's not bad. Don't get me wrong. It's absolutely great. It's an everyday lash. But these are like, I came here to make heads turn. I don't know. But anyways. All right. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it came out. And putting these lashes on with one hand while bouncing a baby was no joke, but I got it done. You know what I'm saying? You got to be creative when you're a new mom. Shouts out to all my moms out there. This life is serious, but I love it, So yeah, daytime, nighttime. But I don't really have a nightlife. My nightlife is waking up, changing diapers, and feeding. So yeah, and I thank God for my mom and my sister who helped me out so much, because if it wasn't with them, you would see bags under these eyes. When I tell you bags, carry on luggage under these eyes. But yeah, that helped me out a lot so I could make my dreams come true. So shout outs to them. Pammy Cakes.